I was intimidated.
This is Margot's Pizza.
Move your hat.
Margot's Pizza.
I've never had it
it's
before.
Margot's.
Oh, yes.
Never had it before.
Move your hat.
My dog got a hold of it earlier.
Move
Ate
your
half of
fucking
it.
hat. I can't see your face.
I don't give a fuck. Fuck that shit. My guess is that my drink is gonna be better than this pizza. Let me try this. It's very good. Got a little bit of bourbon, a little bit of ginger ale, a little bit of ice just to cool it down a little bit. But it's not the best I've ever had. Not the best.
Get to the fucking food, dum dum.
Not to the food that my dog ate, the fucking ass bitch fucker. Let me try this. It looks very scrumptious. Pepperoni pizza, everyone's favorite. Everyone loves the pepperoni. Let me try this.
Jason, you're throwing up all over Jeffrey's table. No, swallow it.
You swallow me.
A mediocre pizza.
Oh,
I'd put it on a level above Little Caesars.
this shit cost me
Little bit better than
$30.
Papa John's.
This is not a $5 hot and ready.
It's a decent pizza.
How's your dip?
After you've been drinking a while, I'd recommend this pizza.
How's your dip, my man?
The dip. Let's try this dip.
I'm gonna zoom in
My
on
guess
the dip.
is this is going to be as good as a whale's vagina's butthole. Because you've all dreamt about it, and you know how it tastes.
Do it. Eat the butthole.
Let's try this.
How is that?
That's some good dip. You know, I heard that one of my friends, Jeff Brock, he shoved this up his ass before he got raped. And it made everything better for him. Made everything better. Shortly after this video, he died from syphilis.
What's your rating? Review bra? Okay.
I review this pizza at 6.9, but you've got to dip it into the butter. Otherwise, it's like a 2.7.
Here. Okay, do you have a say goodbye tagline?
Goodbye.